Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to sell Bitcoin on Stash app. Selling Bitcoin on Stash app Invest app is simple, but the step may vary slightly depending on updates to the app. And here's a straightforward guide on how to sell Bitcoin on Stash app. So the first thing to do is to log into your account, then tap on your investing account where your Bitcoin is held. Then from there, find the Bitcoin in your list of holdings and tap on it. Then look for the sell button, usually near the price chart. Then from there, you have to enter the amount to sell. So choose either you are to sell the dollar amount between $100 worth of BTC and the percentage of holding, for example, 50% of your BTC. Then check the estimate value and fee, if any, then confirm the sale. Then after that, you have to wait for execution. So Stash will process the sales and takes a few seconds or minutes. So the cash will go into your Stash cash balance, so not your bank yet. So from there, you have to withdraw to your bank account. So if you want the cash in your bank account, you have to go to transfer, click on withdraw, then select the amount and bank. And here's a key important note: Stash may charge a small fee for selling Bitcoin and the taxes. So selling cryptos may trigger capital gain taxes, so check with a tax pro. And Stash also sells at the current market price, so no advanced trading option. And that's it.